Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Put on your VR headset and power it up, pair controllers if required. Once done, open the YouTube app and sign in so your subscriptions and history are available. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version because older builds often lack VR features. Finally, find a 360 degrees or VR-labeled video and tap play so you can proceed to enter immersive mode. Next, learn how to control VR playback and why each control matters. Once you select a VR video, tap the headset icon or choose cardboard/VR mode to switch displays. This creates two images for lenses. You navigate by physically turning your head. Head tracking moves the view, while controllers or the touchpad let you pause, seek, and change volume. Make sure to set playback quality to balance clarity with smoothness. Higher resolution improves immersion, but may stutter on weak connections. To finish a session and handle hiccups, follow these final steps and a key troubleshooting tip. When you're done, use the on-screen menu or remove the headset to exit VR mode and stop playback. Closing the app clears session glitches. If tracking drifts or controllers lag, recalibrate sensors and check for headset firmware or app updates. This often fixes jitter. Finally, if a video won't display in VR, switch to regular playback. Sometimes the file lacks proper 360 degrees or stereoscopic formatting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.